Thanks for watching Chef and Knife. And yes, thank you for viewing my channel. And thank you for subscribing my channel. And thank you for visiting my channel. And thank you for everyone who have shown some interest on my channel. And this channel is basically about kitchen equipments, kitchen knife, and related things about the kitchen. There will be more videos about reviews and articles and other things which I'm planning to do in upcoming future. But before we head up, let's start this video about a home cook, right? Because I have seen many home cooks and many chefs talk about their experience and home cook, what we know about a home cook, right? Because I got few friends and they have some queries and questions related to home cook, a knife for the home cook, right? Basically, there are lots of chef knife in market. So how are you going to decide what knife is better for you as a home cook, right? How? Basically, there are thousand companies who are offering a knife to a home cook and a professional chef. So what are the difference between a home cook and a professional chef? It's mountain and the land. They are trained to work in different areas, and a home cook is going to cook at home for its family. Professional is going to cook as a professional guy. It's a duty, it's their love, it's their passion. You can do blah blah blah. So don't waste our time and let's discuss home cook knife, home cook chef knife, right? You can see I do have Victorinox, I do have Global, I do have Tijero, and can't remember his name. It's Bruno knife, yeah, and Shunkin. So Tijero DP, Bruno, Global, Victorinox, and a Shun. So how are you going to decide which one is better for you? Basically, first thing which when you enter in a kitchen to cook something, first tool is your hand, right? These hands are your first tool because you're going to grab everything from these hands. So my whole story is, when you are going to select a knife as a home cook or professional chef, don't buy online, right? Seriously, don't go for online because there are many websites offering a good discount on knife. For me, basically, what I do, I go straight to the shop and I talk to the shopkeeper when I'm going to buy a knife, right? Which one is better, what steel, and how can I maintain that knife, what are the cost to take care of this knife, and how can I preserve this knife for upcoming time, and what kind of strategy I need to use when I'm going to buy a knife from a retail shop. I don't buy knife from websites. But if you are a home cook or a professional, are you going to buy your knife from Amazon, eBay, and there are many websites which sell a discounted knife? So you know how you're going to buy a knife from online when you got around good experience using a knife from this hand. You know what kind of material your hand can use it, right? Let's talk about Victorinox, right? It's a Fibronox knife handle, and what they say that this knife have some other things which your hand can take a pressure, because it's a very not hard material, very light material, right? And yes, everyone can use this knife, right? It's a very cheap knife and a very good knife. And let's talk about global. No wood, right? You can see no wood. Just it's binding with two material, right? It's a hollow knife, right? What they did, they I know fabricated with some kind of material, and they have sand on this on the handle, so lightweight and easy to balance. So that's the other area what they were doing it. And let's talk about a European kind of handle, right? I don't have a Japanese handle chef knife. I'm going to buy it soon. Let's see. But still, what I have, I'm going to take. I'm gonna talk about this one. This one. So it's a plastic, right? Heavy, very heavy knife. How are you going to say it's a heavy knife? From bottom side and upper side of the knife. Good material, but it's a heavy knife. So same with this T0DB plastic, right? Plastic, but see, it's single material, so it's not being attached with some areas. So whole knife with two plastic handle, glued it, right? So, and same with this style, glued in a wooden handle, right? So, and no, it's not a wooden handle, it's some kind of material. Sorry, no, not a wooden handle, it's a kind of material. So heavy, not too heavy, but some kind of heaviness is there. And when you talk about grabbing material and everything, we need to see before you are using it, right? So my theory will be that whenever you're going to buy a knife as a home cook, right, you need to go to a shop and you need to grab that knife like that, like I'm grabbing it, right? And you need to feel the handle, that can I use this knife for a long time? Can I, it's this knife is suiting me or not? So basically your knife need to feel the handle of the knife, then you can decide that this handle is good for me, or this handle is good for me, or this type of handle is going to suit with me, or this handle, right? Because it's all about your hand. You need to grab a knife before you buy it. So don't buy a knife from online. Go to retail shop and talk to the retail guy that I want to buy a chef knife, paring knife, peeling knife, or whatever you knife you want to buy it. Go to a shop, grab a knife, and feel it, right? Feel it on your hand, not like this. You're not going to stab any from this knife. You're going to cook it, right? You're going to use your knife in a kitchen, right? So you need to grab like this. You need to grab like, you can grab like this or you can grab like this, depends to you how you're going to use it. So from my story, you know why I'm showing you these knife. It's basically just to showcase you that there are lots of different knife if you want to buy as a home cook, right? So you have seen these knife for in further videos, so I don't want to waste my time to showcase every knife to you. So There will be more videos about knives. So this time it's all about home cook. If you are home cook, right, buy a knife which is more suitable on your hand. Uh, some more good videos, some more creativity. But thank you for watching Chef and Knife. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you for watching Chef and Knife. Hope you have a lovely day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.